go to Stephen in Greenview, Texas. Stephen.
Yes, sir.
How are you
doing, sir? Thank you, Mr. Goon. We really, really appreciate you, sir.
My pleasure.
Your program has helped a lot of people, and may God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
More grace, more grace. So the quick question I have for you is this, sir. I saw a note of, is it N400 or N100 about if you have a green card, you can now apply for a citizenship. I don't know. How does that work?
Well, the N400 is the application for citizenship. Depending on how you got your green card will determine when you apply. If you got your green card and you're in the military, you can apply after 1 year of having a green card. If you got your green card through marriage to a U.S. citizen and you remain in that marriage, in a bona fide marriage for 3 years after you got your green card, you can apply for citizenship after 3 years. Otherwise, everybody else, you wait 5.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right.
So R1 has to wait 5, period.
5, period.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Do you think there's going to be a change on that in the nearest future for like 2 years? Or?
I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know the answer to that. All right.
Okay.
Because the immigration laws are going to be overhauled, so we'll see what happens. All right.
You said what?
I said everything's going to be overhauled, hopefully, positively. When I say overhauled, it's a positive overhaul, not a negative one. Hopefully in the next few months, we'll see what happens.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.
You have a beautiful day. Thank you. Annette in North Bergen, New Jersey. Annette.
It's a judge.
Hello. Annette. Annette.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Annette. Hello, hello.
So I put, good night. Sorry about that. So I put a I-130 form for my daughter that was in 2019.
Right.
Of May, and I haven't heard anything else. The only thing I heard back from them, I only got the receipt number. That was it.
All right. Are you a citizen or resident?
Pardon?
Are you a U.S. citizen or are you a U.S. resident?
No, a green card holder.
How old is your daughter?
She's 7.
How did you get your green card?
My mom, she got married to a U.S. citizen, so it was, her thing came through a marriage.
Okay, and then your stepdad filed for you? You were young?
Yes.
And you were under 21?
It was him.
Right, so you were under 21 when your stepdad filed for you, so you couldn't bring your child with you at the time?
Yeah, I got through before I was 21,
right, okay. And how old was your child when you filed, when you were under 21?
2019, she was like 5.
Okay. All right. So now you filed an I-130 for her right when you came up and you still haven't heard anything?
No, I haven't heard anything
All right.
since.
So what you need to do, because she's eligible for a green card immediately if you can get the visa petition approved.
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
I said you can get if you can get the visa petition approved, she would be presumably eligible for her green card if this proclamation is lifted at the end of March. So what you should do is, right now, nothing, because there's this proclamation that they're not approving anybody. But assuming the
I have to wait until the end of March?
Right. And then assuming they lift the proclamation, I would make an inquiry, wait 15 days, and then do a mandamus.
You're kind of breaking up.
I can't help it. I can't move from the spot. So it's your phone. I'm not on a cell phone.
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
I know, but in other words, I'm not on the cell phone. It's your phone, so it's not me moving. You got to move. So my answer to you was wait till the end of March. Let's see if the proclamation is lifted, and then make a couple inquiries, and then do a mandamus.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ashanti in Salt Lake City, Utah. Ashanti.
Hi, Brad.
How are you?
I am doing good. So I got a question for you. I came here 4 years ago on a B1, B2 visa, and I stayed. But before I stayed, I filed an extension. But I don't know. I left where I was in Washington State before the extension, before I knew that they wanted documents. But I never received anything. And then I've lived here for 3 years out of status. And I just received a letter for removal. So I was trying to figure out, what do I do?
You got if you're in removal right now,
It's for June.
Okay, if you're in removal as an overstay, you have 3 general choices. Okay, there's lots of different applications, but they fall within 3. Okay, one is don't deport me. I'm eligible for my green card right now, which generally is I got married to a U.S. citizen in a bona fide marriage, or perhaps years and years ago your parents filed for you, and luckily you're eligible for a green card, or your brother or sister, or somehow you're eligible for a green card. Don't deport me. Second way is I've been here for 10 years and there'd be a hardship to my family if I was deported, but you don't have the 10 years. The third way is don't deport me because my life's in danger if I go home, whether that's asylum, Convention Against Torture, withholding of removal. As of the moment, before Trump, there was a 4th one where they had prosecutorial discretion where you can just, play the violins and say, this is a sad story, we shouldn't deport the person. And they would agree not to do it. But they don't have that anymore. Maybe Biden will bring it back. What do? You need a good lawyer. That's what you need right now. But that's generally everybody's choices at the moment.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening.
So I'm supposed to get married in 2 months. So I'm trying to figure out what do I file and
all right. So let me make this suggestion to you. Okay, you love your husband, your future husband. I assume your future husband loves you. What's more important than waiting 2 months to get married is saving you here in America. So if you are truly in love with each other and it's going to be a real marriage, go get married now. You have a court date in June. You got to file an I-130 immediately and get it approved and show the judge this has been pending for a bona fide marriage exemption, because they're going to believe that you got married just to avoid deportation. So you got to file a visa petition with proof that it's a bona fide marriage, and you got to show up to the judge and say, I filed this months and months ago, I'm waiting for the approval. If you show up and say, Judge, I got married, what should I file? They'll say, get out of the country, you're gone. So go get married now. You guys love each other? Forget about having this special wedding. That's past the point. Go down to City Hall and get married.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Brad.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.